We are pleased to show you the 2016 Santa Fe. Style, quality, performance, value. Need we say more? And is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, power liftgate, air conditioning, dual airbags, one owner, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, power windows. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.